Y'all, it is 5:54 a.m. I don't even get up there.
You down to that suspension bridge. Cross that bridge. Come out, you're on the south rim. Go to your right, up to the dam, cross over to the dam, get back on the north rim. That bridge is built right over Hurricane Falls.
Oh, it sounds like familiar. Hurricane Falls.
Yeah. Now there's a lot of stars.
You gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map.
See where I'm the
map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map.
Good morning, America. You guys see that? Pretty. So pretty. I'm on an adventure.
Shawty swing my way. Sure look good to me. Please swing my way. Shawty.
Where are you going? That's the way we came from.
Overlook 2 and 3?
We came from that way.
We came from that way.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't. We walked.
Came that way, Mari. We came that way.
No, let's go this way.
Mari, we just came from that way.
No, we didn't.
We came that way. We didn't go that way. This is Overlook 2 and 3. That's the building over there, and that's the bridge. You want to go to the bridge and then come back around?
What's over there?
It's just a big park, Mari. We got all day.
Okay.
So let's.
But we definitely came from that way.
No, we didn't. I promise.
We did.
Oh, Mari. If we get lost, this is why we need a bag.
Girls trip going back. Oh, this the shot right here. Hey, this the one. This the one right here.
Now there's a lot of stars. There's a lot of stars.
Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
Hey guys. It's fine. Get over here. Y'all, don't come do this shit. I just got this girl shoe out the ocean. Bro, look at her right now. Look at her. She's stuck. She's stuck. I'm barely holding on. You know what I'm saying? This is dangerous. Alright, what we gonna do, bro? Cause I'm hungry.
This bag is imbalancing me. That's why
I told you not to bring that big bag, man. Grab the stick, grab the stick, grab the stick. Grab the stick.
Don't worry, girl. I got your back. From right here.
You got it. Get the shoes, get the shoes. Where? Right there. Y'all, I would.
That's what your ass did.
Bro. time to go. Oh, it's time to go. That friend that you just do anything with, look where she leading us to. Go ahead. Go, go, go. You first. Don't give me that bad. Come on, level it.
Then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
Y'all, we're just walking. We don't even know where we're going. Honestly, I really wanted to make this a very detailed YouTube video, but I'm confused myself. Like, there's just so many different ways you can go. I feel like you should just explore and see where God leads you, because I'm just walking the streets right now. Is there any fish?
Yeah.
Really?
I've never fished it, but I've seen fish.
Oh, wow. Lake Tallulah.
3 lakes. Lake Burton, and then a river, and then Lake Seed, and then a river, and Lake Raven, a river, and then this one, and a river, and Lake Yona.
Oh, you lost me at lake.
A bunch of lakes. This not Lake Lanier.
The craziest part is I would move out here. Up to Atlanta whenever I felt like it. I'm not going in that sand. Guys, we're in the middle of our trip. We just left Tallulah Falls, and we found a zip lining place like 30 minutes away. So we're about to do some real adventurous stuff, and we're probably gonna get something to eat. And if I see a Ross on the way, y'all know me. Y'all know she loves some Ross. You know, they may have something that the home one don't got. We just gonna check it out. But see y'all when we get to the zip lining place.
Hands forward, find a speed you like, and come on down.
Then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
Oh, I'm sore.
What we doing now?
Just grab those, pull those out as hard as you can. There you go. Y'all get these leg loops underneath. Those do not have to be as tight. You want 2 to 3 fingers to stack sideways between those.
It's super tight because you have like an awkward line on your forehead for the next couple hours, but as long as it's not flying off your head when you do the bobblehead, you'll be good. As long as it's not flying off your head when you do the bobblehead, you'll be good. That one might be too loose. But once your helmet's spinning, you just kind of spin around and face the opposite direction.
I think I need a different one.
And then we'll get your shoulders. Let me see. So you said it's too big or too small?
Too small. It's on my eyebrows right now.
Really? Okay. So is that better?
Yeah, but when I did the bobblehead, it flew off.
I got you.
Did you click it in first?
Yeah, click that in.
And then try it.
I did. Where's the? Really, the helmet's just for the ride up. So we're not planning on using it on the zip line today.
So I can take it off.
No, you still gotta wear it, but is that choking you? You sure? Oh yes.
I'm afraid of heights.
You're not afraid of heights.
Wait, don't they open this? Apparently not.
Apparently not. We got a gymnast back there.
Yes. He knew this.
body harness, you're not gonna go anywhere. You are good to go.
Ready, heads?
What do you do?
You just jump.
You just jump.
Walk off.
Can you step
up,
down?
You can walk.
You can step
jump
down. You're gonna
forward.
go. I definitely
step
did
down.
this before. I just don't remember when. He's scamming. Okay, so stay tuned.
I think the other one's longer.
I know it's an hour.
Yeah, because we did 30 minutes. Remember, Mari? Duh.
Yeah, you do. You do
okay,
more
next
zip lines
time.
on the
Next
other
time we know. We
Yeah.
have to do 30 minutes.
Yeah. Y'all. My hand gonna have to hold on. So how would y'all find my phone if I dropped it down there?
So when you call it,
Have somebody really dropped their phone before?
I've never seen anyone drop their phone. Just hold on tight.
Wait. Whoa. Wait, if I hold on with one hand, is that okay?
Yeah. You don't even have to hold on.
Wait, don't say
I need
that.
a funny push.
Yeah, I don't. When do we go?
We have to wait.
Wait, Mari.
Huh.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
make
have
sure
to
I
close
got
my eyes.
I got the angles right.
Let's take a picture.
This will work.
Let's take a picture, Tay.
All right. Well, y'all will have to like kind of lean in if you want a photo.
All right, come on. I'm
lean
not
to the
trying to
side.
focus.
It's not our time to go yet, right?
Yeah. Smile. Move your
Come on closer.
yeah, a little closer.
I'm like shaking my boots right now.
I know you are. That's why I said let's take a picture. You think I don't know you? I'm scared. Come on.
Lord Jesus.
You know I don't get scared till I start going. Like, oh my God. It looks fun though, y'all. I just want to jump.
I'm just overthinking.
I want to
I'm not
jump.
scared. I
just want to jump.
I don't know what it is.
It's the anticipation.
Yeah, like I got it.
All you.
God got us.
How many times you do it a day?
Probably about 3.
3.
Yeah, at least 2 times a day.
You never been afraid of heights?
Zipping on both last 2 guests.
Thank you.
All right.
Whoa.
I'll give this to you. You don't go just yet. I'll record.
Oh, I'm about to shit myself.
Make sure I'm
So,
super
yeah.
locked in.
You're super.
You didn't even check it. What this thing not? How it's supposed? This supposed to be?
Give me the super. Why is your shoulder strap all
This
like
is like,
that?
you know, at the park.
See, I wasn't super locked in. See?
It doesn't lock you in. Don't worry.
See?
This doesn't do anything for you. It's your hip belt that matters. Is your hip belt good? Looks
Check
fine.
it. Make sure it's good. Make sure I'm good.
All right, hold on. One more check. All right. Y'all look
Sorry,
good.
and don't touch the metal. Sorry.
Let me get it on camera. All right. All right.
I don't know how to hold this. Oh my God.
You want to just say 3, 2, 1, okay?
You want me to? All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
I did not curse you too. I want to make that clear. I said shoot. I said shoot.
I'm gonna pull you in.
Shorty swing my way. Sure look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Look good to me. Now would you please swing my way? Shorty swing my way.
that you feel the cap, and you ain't gon' know none of this. A nigga try to play me,